Hi, I'm Chuck Snowden. I'm the new program coordinator for Mechanical Engineering Technology here at Idaho State. Mechanical Engineering Technology really incorporates two things: mechanical engineering technicians and industrial maintenance mechanics, both which work directly with facilities, plants, maintenance, farms, equipment. We are the people manning the machines, installing them, repairing them, staying up to date, making sure that there's no failures. First level of certification in this program would be the Basic Training Certificate, Industrial Maintenance Mechanic Level 1. It's a 12-month program, totally asynchronous, can be done mostly online at your own leisure on your own schedule. You can go on, and at 18 months you can hit the Industrial Maintenance Mechanic Level 2. Both of these align and build toward the Associate's degree of Energy Systems Mechanical Engineering Technology. As a student, you'll learn skills fixing machinery, operating machinery. You will do alignments, pumps, motors. You will learn how to grease bearings. You'll do some welding, all different types of welding, MIG, stick, TIG. These all apply in the field. You will learn how to read blueprints, write blueprints. You will learn how to use schematics. You have the skill set to work side by side a high-level engineer. They come up with the idea. You are the person making that happen. Idaho State University's College of Technology EzTech program boasts 100% job placement over the last 5 years. The skill set is in high demand and the wages match the demand.